Please, stop! I'm not Gaza. No food. No home. And me. Let's follow.
At the heart of the Israel-Palestine conflict are the silent sufferers who never chose this war. Children, women, and even animals. Thousands of children live under fear. Their schools have turned to dust. Their dreams are replaced with the sounds of bombs and sirens. Their mothers are fighting two battles, protecting their children and surviving each day without food, water, and safety. Animals suffer, pets are left behind, wildlife is caught in ceasefires, and their shelters have been destroyed. Why is it that in every conflict, the innocent pay the highest price?
According to the UN's World Food Program, nearly 100,000 women and children alone are suffering from severe acute malnutrition.
While those in power, those who instigate the war, remain unaffected. It is time that the world listens to these cries. While you sit in the comfort of your house, enjoying all the luxury, entertainment, and your meals, share this and remind the world that peace isn't just important for people, it's important for every living being. No one deserves to live like this.